Have you ever wanted to use the Personal Hotspot but found that it doesn't work? It usually appears as the Personal Hotspot being grayed out, with the hotspot option not showing, or the hotspot connecting but not providing a network. Welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In today's video, I'll show you 3 methods to help you solve this issue. First, you need to make sure that your phone includes a Personal Hotspot plan, or else it won't appear on your settings page. Next, make sure that your phone has not enabled airplane mode, as it will cause the Personal Hotspot option to be grayed out. Third, make sure that your cellular connection is working, otherwise the hotspot will not have any network access. Fourth, check if your SIM card carrier supports hotspot functionality. If the SIM card doesn't support it, no matter what you do, you won't be able to enable the hotspot. If you've checked the above 4 and your Personal Hotspot is still not working, you can try the following 3 methods. Method 1. Force restart. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. This action will refresh the system and clear the cache. If this method doesn't work, you can try the second method. Method 2. Reset network setting. Open the Settings app on your phone. Tap General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Wait for a while until it resets your network settings. If this method still doesn't work, it's likely an iOS system issue. You can try upgrading your system. Method 3. Update iOS system, no data loss. Here, I recommend using an incredibly convenient upgrade tool, ReiBoot. It allows you to upgrade your system without losing any data and takes only 20 minutes. Additionally, it can fix over 150 types of iOS system issues. I've placed the download link in the comments. If you're interested, feel free to check it out. Its operation is also very simple. First, connect your phone to the computer. Next, open ReiBoot and click the green Start button. Select Standard Repair and follow the on-screen instructions to download the firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. This process will take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the process is complete, you should see that your Personal Hotspot is now working properly. Go ahead and give it a try. The download link is in the comments section. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and comment on the video. See you in the next one.